Hi guys, welcome to day 14 of Vlogmas here on my YouTube channel. Today is also episode 11 of my top 5 favorite products. So today we are going to be talking all about contour. So in 5th place, we have the PHA Cream Powder and Bronzer Duo. This shade is in She's Statuesque. This one is amazing. I do have the powder on today, and it is amazing. I really do like this contour duo. 4th place, we have the Clara Secret foundation slash concealer palette. Now this does remind me of the Makeup for Everyone. I haven't tried that palette thing. This one was the next best thing. I do want to definitely try the Makeup for Everyone. I do sometimes use this specific palette for when I do makeup on other people. In 3rd place, actually don't have it anymore, but I am going to be putting up a picture, is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Beauty Wand. I used to use this one like crazy. It was one of my favorites. It was really, really good. But now I don't have it anymore. I do want to repurchase it because it was so good. Okay, in 2nd place, we have a newer contour stick that I tried. This is the LYS No Limits contour stick in the shade Hope. I love this shade, or this contour stick. It's amazing. And this is like the perfect contour shade for my skin tone. Amazing. In 1st place, we have the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Bronzing and Shaping Stick. And I have the shade Fair. You might be seeing a trend in these videos. Most of my 1st place winners are Makeup by Mario, and it's crazy. But like, Makeup by Mario stuff is really, really good. So this one is the Makeup by Mario contour stick. It's, again, perfect for my skin tone, and I absolutely love it. It is so good. Okay, so that was all my favorite contour products. So tomorrow is day 15, where we are going to be talking all about bronzers. Bye!